Hello everyone, welcome to How to channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new browser created by ChatGPT. This browser was developed by OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, and it's called ChatGPT Atlas. Basically, it's works like a normal browser, but with one big difference: it's powered by artificial intelligence. In other words, it's similar to Chrome, but with AI capabilities built in. To start using this new browser, you need to search for ChatGPT Atlas in your current browser. As you can see, this is the application right here. However, there's a catch. In my case, I won't be able to download it yet because it's not available in all countries. Additionally, for now, it's only available for macOS device, meaning Apple computers running macOS version 26 or 28 or higher. If you have a compatible device and you are in a supporting region, you'll be able to use this new browser. Here you can also find an introductory video that explains how this works and show its interface. To download it, simply click on the RAM for MacOS. If you are using Chrome or Safari, for example, just click the button, run the installer, and that's it. Basically, that's all you need to do starting using ChatGPT Atlas.